This, again, you guys, is a simple matter of when you are in the business of gapping metal prices in order to obfuscate what's going on with the real economy, you must continue to do that. So, what you have seen already is as we're preparing for the market to decline because of this debt ceiling situation, they've already gapped metals down, and now you're seeing metals gap back up. And this is the same pattern over and over and over of them manipulating metals. So, in other words, they are aware of economic activities that are coming a couple of weeks in advance. They say this is going to make the price of metals really to the upside because it is an indication of true hard asset value. Remember, they've untethered true hard asset value in metals with all of our financial currencies and all of our financial derivatives. So any kind of indication in the price of metals of what's going on in the economic world is something they must avoid at all costs, because there is nothing that will make people sell out of their equities and bonds and move their money out of their banks and into metals faster than the economy, the stock market collapsing and metals jumping from $1980 to $2,200. You would see a mass exodus and a move to hard assets. They are very aware of this. I have done multiple podcasts on the metal manipulation market and how many executives have been found criminally liable and have gone to jail. This is public knowledge that they can manipulate through LBMA and COMEX the price of metals. And this is very, very, very well economically documented. And so anytime you see gapping down of metals when everything seems like, okay, it's kind of calm, the debt ceiling hasn't been hit yet, and yet metals are coming down, this is in advance of information and events that will be coming that will force the metals up. And therefore, they have to tether down the metals, gap them down in order for them to be able to be gapped back up, so that, again, the market and metals stay really in a tight sphere of trading with each other. Because if you have metals break out, you will have people move out of their financial derivative assets, which are obviously bonds, stocks, and they will move to hard assets like gold and silver. So they can't allow that to happen.